we're making braised chickpeas with chard. We're going to start with 1 can of chickpeas rinsed and drained, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 cups of rainbow chard chopped, and we'll salt and pepper to taste. Okay, let's get started. Our butter. And we're going to get chickpeas in there. We're going to cook these till the butter gets brown, kind of braising the chickpeas. Now we add in our garlic, onion powder, and paprika. About a minute or so. And we'll add in our sauce. Let's get in our chard. So fresh cracked pepper. And some salt. Now you want to cook that until all the chard is cooked through and wilted. Then we'll serve it. Well, there you have it, my braised chickpeas with chard. Enjoy.